4 must-have WordPress plugins for SEO. There are over 49 pages of WordPress SEO plugins, but you only need a few to make your website SEO friendly. This video shows how to build the perfect SEO setup on WordPress with just 4 free plugins. Stick around as I unveil the top 4 must-have SEO plugins that might just propel your WordPress site to stellar heights. And the last one is completely my favorite. Plugin number 1, Short Pixel, Image Optimization Plugin. This tool compresses image, making large images files smaller, and the result is going to be faster load time. To set it up, just sign up for free account at ShortPixel and then enter your API key in the WordPress settings. Using Glossy will offer the best compression rate, while Looseless will give you the best quality photos. Glossy is somewhere in between, which is a nice balance in my opinion. Here you will find a few options to compression type. If you already have images uploaded on your site, just hover media and select bulk. You can then optimize all images with the click of a button. Let's look at the most important part of the compression type in ShortPixel to achieve the optimal file size. While making a slight compromise on image quality, choose the lossy compression. If you prefer a balance between quality and file size, select glossy. For a highest quality at a slightly larger file size, choose looseless compression. You can click and run a few test links to visit the website and run some tests to determine which compression types work best for you. So as you can see in this video, so you can just click and check which works better for you. Plugin number 2, WP Rocket. For page caching, generate static HTML files to speed up website loading time and reduce server load. Browser caching stores static files in visitor browsers to facilitate faster pages loading upon return visit. Gzip compression and minification. Compress CSS, JavaScript and HTML file and combine them to minimize file size and optimize loading speed. Lazy loading delays the loading of images, videos and iframe until they are needed, improving initial load time and overall performance. Now let's look at WP Rocket. WP Rocket is a crucial plugin for optimizing your website speed, and you can see, as you can see, the options which are there in front of you. When I go to the cache options, you ensure the caching is enabled, and you can separate cache file for mobile devices as well. You also have an option to have a user cache, and you can also enable caching for WordPress loggers. And of course, you can set the cache lifespan where you want the cache to be expired if you have a dynamic website. You can also minify CSS files and JavaScript. You can optimize CSS delivery. You can remove unused CSS by activating remove unused CSS option. You can minify JavaScript. You can load JavaScript deferred. And of course, you can enable images, enable for CSS background, enable for iframe and videos. Plugin number 3, Monster Insights. It integrates Google Analytics with your WordPress site, providing insights to optimize your SEO strategies. Easily connect Google Analytics to your WordPress site with no coding required. Monster Insights highlights important stats on your WordPress dashboard without actually logging into Google Analytics. It helps analyze popular posts, pages and sections of your website to see what's working. It even measures video engagement and track how many visitors watched each video, and help you increase engagement with headline analyzer and popular post product tools. You can unlock advanced data as well, and you can analyze keyword performance as well to see which keyword is driving most traffic. As you can see, so what you have to do is just authenticate your account with Monster Insight and complete the collection. And here, once you have connected, look at the amount of data you can get, top 10 countries. Without logging out of the WordPress, you can have a look at all of this data at one place, which gives you all the details if you are looking at the user journey and other details as well. It also covers e-commerce reports, so you can see what kind of a product is bringing more revenue. Of course, all that data is coming from Google Analytics. You can also do media tracking in it, and of course, the dimensions and everything. You can also connect Search Console with it, when it enables you to get top 50 Google search terms as well. Last but not the least is Rankmath all-in-one SEO plugin. The SEO plugin I recommend the most. You might have heard about popular SEO plugins like Yoast SEO and all-in-one SEO packs, but Rankmath is all-in-one SEO plugins that can assist you with many on-page and technical SEO tasks that these plugins can do. Something I love about this plugin is that it basically integrates a lot of features. Let's go through some of the features that you can use in your day-to-day SEO task. So you can enable content AI here. You can do 404 monitoring, you can enable instant indexing, images SEO, and also of course you can have podcasts, you can have redirections. All of these functionality you can enable via Rankmath. It also have a setup wizard where you can go into a setup and set easy, advanced or custom depending on your experience level. Now let's see how you can optimize a blog post for that. So once you go into the blog post, it actually gives you, once you give the focus keywords, it actually tells you its score. You can edit the snippet and increase the score, which really helps. So basically the Focus keyword needs to be in your description. It also needs to be in your title. It also needs to be a part of permalink. If you start doing all these options, you will see that your Rankmath scores increases, which in terms helps you get better rankings. And you also get the title readability. If there is any issue with your title or content, it will provide you all those informations there, and you can actually update this. Now from a site-wide perspective, Rankmath plugin can also do a lot of common tasks like automatically generating sitemaps, controlling redirect, site architects, and editing your robot TST file. So we have explored the 4 must-have WordPress plugins for SEO that can help you rank your WordPress site well on search engines. Whether you're optimizing content with Rankmath, compressing images through Short Pixel, leveraging caching via WP Rocket, or using Google Analytics with Monster Insights, it's crucial to consider what each plugin brings to your table in terms of your specific needs and objectives. Remember, optimizing your website is an ongoing journey rather than a one-time endeavor. So now that you have got the lowdown on the 4 must-have WordPress plugins for SEO, you are all set to boost your site ranking and get noticed. Also, if you are dead serious about ruling the search engine charts and snagging that sweet spot, you also need to do a proper competitor backlink analysis. And because this is such an important topic, I have made a separate video where I go over my exact method of doing a competitor backlink analysis that you can just copy and use as well. So if you are interested in succeeding with SEO and climb your way to number 1 on Google, then go and watch this video that you see on your screen right now. Until next time, cheers.